I've used wireless DJI microphones ever since the DJI Mic 1 came out, followed by the DJI Mic 2 and DJI Mic Mini. And now DJI Mic 3 takes things to the next level. But there's one important feature you really need to know about before you buy DJI Mic 3. But there's also some potential good news about how to fix this problem. Both DJI Mic 1 and DJI Mic 2 have these little sockets which allow you to attach a wired lavalier microphone. You might want to do this if you want a more discreet microphone on the person that's talking, either on someone's lapel or even underneath someone's clothes. Why might you want this? Well, if you're shooting more professional looking things, let's say things like a professional interview for TV or for Netflix, and you don't want any microphones visible, you're not going to want to attach any kind of microphone, even one as small as the DJI Mic 3 transmitter, in full view of the camera. DJI Mic 3 transmitters don't have a socket for a wired lavalier microphone, so you can't attach a lav mic to them. If that's a feature that you need right now, you might want to think twice about upgrading or buying DJI Mic 3. But here's the possible fix. Just like the Hollyland Lark Max 2, I think DJI are going to release a little adapter that fits to the bottom of the DJI Mic 3 transmitter that's going to turn it into a little device that has that socket where you can attach a wired lav mic. And I think that's going to come out pretty soon so they can stay competitive with Hollyland's Lark Max 2. Let me know your thoughts and I'll see you in the next one.